Remember, we are all humans with dreams and fear and insecurities. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. If you are new here, I would love to welcome you. If you're into self-care, self-development, then I hope you consider subscribing. As you can see by the title, today we're going to talk about things to do in 2020. Stay curious, meet new people, try new things, see new places. If there's something that you've been wanting to do for some time now, don't think about it too much. Find the way to just do it. Seriously, the more you think and contemplate on wanting to do something and thinking of so many ways that it could go wrong, just go for it. New hobbies, food, try different food. I'm a food lover, so that makes me happy just even thinking about it. Meet new people. And in order for you to meet new people, because I feel like it's easy to think, oh, like, where would I meet people? Well, go to where people go. Of course, don't go to places that you know you don't like. Go to places you do like. Like, if you like ice skating, go ahead and go ice skating. Sure that you'll meet people there. If you like reading, go to a bookstore, the library. If you like partying, go out, have a few drinks, make yourself happy. Do things that you really like. That way you can meet people that have things in common with you. At best, you discover something amazing, something that blows your mind, something new to look forward to. And at worst, you learn something about yourself, right? Now you know you don't like it, so you won't try it again. Generous with your time, your money, not too much with money though, but don't allow yourself to be controlled by money. You know, if you can be kind and help someone out without, of course, staying broke, right? Because you have to take care and look out after yourself, make sure you are grounded and save money. But just, you know, if you can help someone, go ahead and do that. Try your best to be of help, a listening ear. Many times people don't want an opinion. All they want is to be heard, to feel like they're not alone, you know, to have someone to talk to. So if you have the time and you want to help someone out, sometimes just being there, you just have to be there and listen, you know, try to understand them, and I'm sure that will help someone in your life feel much better. Practice empathy, right? Which is a little bit linked with my previous point. Treat them with care. You know, try to catch yourself when you think you may do or say something that can hurt someone else. Like, we are all battling our own battles. Each person have their own problems. You know, if you're going through something, you don't have to reflect that upon someone else or try to ruin someone's day. Remember that whatever situation anyone's in, you or anyone else, it can always be worse. Make it where for that 1 second when you made them smile, they're not thinking about their problems, you know? Be kind, right? This is such a cold world, honestly. So being kind is that warmth that you can bring into someone's life. And why not bring on the heat and just make things again better and easier for someone in your life or everyone in general. That doesn't mean you won't go through things. Maybe you have bad days, but we all do, right? But for the most part, try your best to be kind to those around you. Let's go. Don't carry the bad stuff into the new year. Have a fresh start. The bad stuff will always weasel its way back into your life. So stand your ground and make it a point to let go of the past, of bad situations, of toxic friends, family members, relationships. Let go of anything that's not giving you positive vibes, and it's rooting for you, and just bringing out the best in you, because that's really what it's all about when you're hanging out with anyone, down to a romantic relationship or friendship or family member, coworker, whatever that person, whatever kind of person they bring out in you tells you everything you need to know. So if they make you want to be kind, you already know that's positive. If they make you just want to go crazy and curse and be loud and just out of character, then you already know that's not the kind of people that's gonna build you up, right? Because that's what we want. We want to become the best version of ourselves, for ourselves and for those around us. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you sitting here and watching. Let me know if you did like this video. Like it, give me thumbs up, and go ahead, feel free to give me a thumbs down if you did not enjoy this video. That also helps me to know what you guys are into, right? As I've said before, leave me any comments down below, anything that came across your mind while you were watching this video. If you agree, if you disagree, I love to hear your feedback and like to know what's on your mind while you watch this video or after watching this video. I'll definitely see you in my next video, I hope. Thank you again. Bye.